Hi, this is John Owens, owner at John Owens Services, based in San Rafael and in Santa Rosa. We've been serving Marin and Sonoma counties since 1986. We are Marin and Sonoma counties' #1 water heater experts. In front of me today is an American Standard gas tank water heater. This is still the most popular type of water heater installed in Marin and Sonoma. We install American Standard water heaters, that old familiar name, American Standard. It's American made, it's better built, and it is the longest lasting water heater, tank water heater on the market. They're not good, they're phenomenal.
We have never ordered a spare part for American Standard in 10 years. They have a thicker, longer-lasting enamel lining to the tank, twice as thick as most of their competitors. The gas valve and thermocouple ignition is as simple as any water heater from 30 years ago. It meets stringent California ultra-low NOx emission standards, yet is so reliable and anyone could work on this gas valve. One of the other great features is the swirl scale dip tube that scours the sediment from the water heater when it is flushed through a full open brass drain valve. Many water heaters have a plastic drain valve, and the sediment remains trapped at the bottom of the tank, shortening the life. American Standard offers a 6-year tank warranty and a 12-year warranty out of the box. The average life of a gas tank water heater is 8 to 11 years. I truly believe that a 12-year warranty water heater will last 15 to 20 years, double the life of the competition. 60% of water heaters are replaced before they fail. If you're concerned about your water heater failing or want a more efficient form of water heating, call us today. For your peace of mind, we offer a 5-year parts and labor guarantee for every type of water heater we install.
If you would like a free estimate or you have any questions regarding any form of water heating, we are the water heater experts. Give us a call at 855-456-2906 or email us at johnowenservices@gmail.com.